Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you the updated guide. Italicize on Android phone using a very simple and easy method. Whether you're writing notes, messages, or documents, this guide will help you style your text in italics quickly. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Notes app. You can find it right on your home screen or inside the app's drawer if it's not there. Step 2. In the menu, just open a blank page to type the Italicize style. After that, look for the menu section called Text Options and tap on it to open. Step 3. Here you can see various formatting options. Look for the I icon, which stands for the italic format, and tap on it to activate this mode. After that, you can type any text or message, and it will appear in italic style. Step 4. Once you finish typing your italicized message, you can save it, copy it, or share it from the Notes app directly. This feature is useful when you want to make certain parts of your text stand out or look more stylish. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.